So it is August 5th and it is close to the end. We've got a couple more weeks left of the front house build. This past week we had some site work done. They put the concrete concrete curb in for our driveway that will direct the water to the front and back drainage areas. We also had a walkway put in the front, which was unfortunately the wrong one. It was supposed to be a paver walkway, and they put in concrete. So that's going to serve as the base for the paver walkway. They're going to come back and put in a random stone walkway over the top of that, and then they'll fix the steps in the background there. They'll make the steps equal. So that'll come back off and back on again. And we had some work inside, so let's take a walk inside there. So here we have the remnants of our deliveries for plumbing and lighting fixtures. Electricians were in all week. Plumbers came in on Friday, but got a lot done in one day. We've got our light fixtures here in the kitchen. Erin picked out everything, so she gets all the credit. I punted and said I didn't want to choose anything anymore, so she did that. Got our sink faucets in. There'll be an additional faucet here that will have the hot water and cold water spout. We've got the dining room light fixture here. The foyer, they didn't get all of the little diffusers on, so it's hanging a little bit funny. And then there's a fixture there in the morning breakfast room. I like how she chose them all. They're all a little bit different, but kind of have the same theme, that black and white. Now we're upstairs, and all the bedrooms got fan lights in them. So just went with this white so it blends into the ceiling. Got door handles on. Toilets installed. Some light fixtures here. The mirrors and shelves should be going in this coming week. Again with the same fan. Nathan has an all black hardware theme in his bedroom. Got the laundry room here. Not so sure we like this fixture, but we can swap it out. Into the twins, Jack and Jill. So chrome hardware in here. And finally, the master. A little bit bigger fan for us, but same kind of theme. And they didn't get as far in our bathroom, so hardware is not in above the sink yet. And the tub is still downstairs. All right, there you have it. That's the update for this week. And there's the backyard.